If you are new to the channel, then subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for further notification. Okay student, welcome you all to this new lecture in intermediate level where you are building concepts on parabola for IIT JEE Advance. So today topic is we will see how parametric representation can be done in terms of parabola, and we will see some interesting finding if we convert it into parametric form for finding equation of tangent and equation of normal and slope of the both. Okay, then let's see this. Okay, so the article is parametric form. So parametric form, while discussing circles, we also see parametric form is easy way, because if you want to take a point, we have to take two variables x and y or hk. So it becomes problematic for us while solving some questions. But if you go for in terms of parametric form, you take one variable, then automatically another one comes, because it satisfies the given equation. That's why, because you are taking a point from parabola. So if you see this one, you need to take x and y such that this equation is satisfied. Not required that you have to take it in this way only. You take anything. Suppose here it is taken as a standard way, so it will look good and it is the standard, so you always take in this way. But it is not mandatory. You can parameterize it. Parameterization of this one can be done with taking any value of x. So if it is x 80 square, then if you put x equal to 80 square, then what it will be? 4 square t square, then your y becomes 280. So it becomes easy for you to grasp it. So if it t can be plus minus, if it is plus then it is plus, if it is minus then it is, because for same x you will get 2y. You can see for plus 1 also you will get 1x, 1y. For minus 1 also you will get same x but different y. You know, there are different y's are there for same x. So this if you put, it will satisfy the equation. One could have taken, sir, I could have taken x equal to t square and I could have written y equal to 2 under root 80. Yes, this is also parameterization. This also is parameter, but this is not a standard one. Standard one is this one is taken as standard one. So you can do it parameterization from your own also. It is nothing but you just take a parameter one and calculate the another one. So now if you want to take a point from a parabola, we will take it 80 square comma 280, not x comma y. From a parabola, if you want to take a point, we can take a 80 square and 280, where t is any real value of t, obviously. So this is known as parametric. From now onwards, whatever article you will study, most of the articles you will see, if someone tells you to take a point from parabola, if I tell you take a point from parabola, so you take it 80 square comma 280. If I take, now on it will be generally mentioned as take a point t1. A point t1 means 81 square 281. A point t2 means, we will give the name as t1 t2. T2 means 82 square, you will see 282. So with only a single variable it can, and the name of the point also given in terms of t1 and t2, so that it becomes easy for your understanding. So from now onwards, if I say take a point t3, so you will take 83 square comma 283. So that will be easy for you. In some case, and if we go for parameterization, we will see lots of our calculation becomes easy, and very funny things we can understand. And we can remember also long formulas, or very interesting formula you can remember. There's such interesting formula we are going to see here. Suppose you want to find the equation of tangent, you know. So what was the slope of tangent? You see this article. What was the slope of tangent here? y1 by 2x1. That the point, the given point, y coordinate divided by x coordinate. So suppose in a parabola, you now also you have a parabola, this one. You take a point which is 80 square comma 280. So if you draw a tangent here, what will be its slope? y1 by 2x1. y1 is what? 280 divided by 280 square. This is your y1, this is your x1. Now y1 x1 I am not taking. I am taking in terms of parametric forms, that is 280 80 square. So what is this? 1 by t. So this becomes interesting. The slope of the tangent. So this point name is also name is t. We gave it the point. What is the point name? T point. It is a point t, means it is this. It should be hidden. If I take a point t1, then what is its coordinate? 81 square 280. So what is the slope at the tangent at the point t1 is 1 by t. So it is easy to remember. What is the slope of tangent at the point t2? 1 by t2. So it becomes easy for you to understand. So it is 1 by t. And the slope of normal will be equal to, because normal and tangent, that is, they are minus 1. So it is minus 1 by this. So it is become minus t. So slope of normal will become minus. So these two are very interesting thing. You should remember this. Now what will be the equation of tangent? Equation of tangent is, you know the slope, you know the point. So slope point formula use, y minus y1 is equal to m x minus x1. If you do little bit side change to 80 this side, then you can This and this will cancel out, will give you 80. So this becomes the equation of tangent. So you remember the equation of tangent, always you remember. Once you remember this, then you no need to remember this. But it will be preferable if you remember normal also. But if you don't remember also, that is also okay. You can anytime you can calculate in the exam from the equation of tangent, because it will be perpendicular to this one passing through this point. So you can write, because in straight line we have solved lots of questions which is perpendicular to a given line and passing through a given point. If you like the video, then press the like button and please give your valuable comments in the comment section.